This week on 3D Printed Soup, Chibi Moon Knight. And when that took about 5 seconds, some props as well. That's right after this. Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. This week I have been watching Moon Knight, the new Disney Plus extravaganza of weird Egyptian stuff, gods, comic books, and a very dodgy British accent. But hey, I really quite enjoyed it. And yes, I know a lot of the opinion on the internet is, oh, it's a bit meh. But I actually thought it was quite good fun. It was kind of like Deadpool meets Raw. It was very, very amusing. And yeah, I enjoyed it immensely. But I especially liked the look of the main character. The Moon Knight is great. And I found a very, very cool looking chibi of him. And I thought, I know, I'll print him out for a video. That happened very quickly. He printed out very easily with absolutely no issues whatsoever. And it kind of left me thinking, you know what? That's probably a bit of a dull print. Fun, but dull. So I thought, you know what? Let's do a bit of a challenge and print ourselves his weapon as well. The Moon Dart, which he uses in some of the episodes. And yeah, this thing's great. And the file, which is made by this great artist right here, also came with a really, really nice stand as well with the Moon Knight font on it, which actually looks brilliant and looked like a bit of a challenge to print. But no, this guy's actually done it so it's in halves. So you can print half and half, glue them together, and it makes a really nice, easy to do print. So this week we're going to be printing a chibi and also a prop. So yeah, best of both worlds. Before we do, however, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. We are so close to 1,000, I can smell it. Smells like victory. Or cabbage, one of the two. Rachel, what the hell are you cooking? But yes, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. If you haven't liked and subscribed, then join the Egyptian cult of 3D Printed Soup. Human sacrifices are your own responsibility. So, drag your cursor down, click the subscribe button, and welcome to the pantheon of the gods, which is 3D Printed Soup. Anubis will come for your soul at a later date. So, let's 3D print ourselves some awesome chibis and awesome 3D printed weaponry TV props. Let's give this a try. When you're painting a 3D print, the undercoat is very, very important. Get yourself a spray rattle can, spray it about 30 centimeters away from the print and just cover it all in a nice thin, even layer. Leave it to dry and then do a second coat. This way the paint will adhere to it nicely. With that done, let's dry brush some gold over the bronze just to bring out the nice hieroglyphic details. I don't think these are actual real hieroglyphics. Whoever's made this file has actually used, but they still look very, very pretty. And you've got the nice Egyptian ankh in the middle, or onk, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. And then we'll do the same to the Moon Knight writing here. Make that stand up beautifully. With that done, splodge of super glue around the edge to get these to hold together. Stick them on, and a couple of G-clamps to make sure this thing stays in place until the glue is dried. Right, with the glue dry, just place this into the holder, and there we go. A lovely stand and the Moon Knight's Moon Dart. Yeah, this is a really, really nice print, and I'm very, very happy with this. I love printing prop weapons from TV shows and movies. And yeah, let's give this a quick turn around. No, I don't own one of those spinny Lazy Susans. I need to get myself one of these, but in the meantime you have to put up with my hand spinning it. But yeah, this looks absolutely great, and it's exactly the right size. So yeah, you take it off there, and yeah, this thing is brilliant. It's actually, for a 3D print, it's actually quite sharp around the edges because he's done such a tight angle. But yeah, that looks brilliant, and yeah, very, very pleased with where this has gone. And I'll probably do a bit of shading on it later to bring up the details and a bit of mood lighting, and this should look beautiful. Okay, so starting off with the chibi. Yeah, he's turned out quite nice, hasn't he? I like his eyes. But yeah, he printed out well, used support, so there was a little bit of damage on him, but bit of sandpaper, that came off nicely. And yeah, he printed out easily because he's a two-tone sort of a monochrome character. So yeah, just the black and the white. Did a little bit of grey around the eyes to make them pop. But other than that, a very easy, good-looking print. And he's going to sit on my desk for a while until I'm bored of Moon Knight and don't ever want to see it again. But secondly, more importantly, the Moon Dart. I love this thing. It's absolutely great. It's light. It prints easily, it's detailed, and it actually looks very, very cool. So a bit of Egyptian weaponry. And it comes with a Moon Knight stand that has the font on it as well. And that just pops in there and sits on there nicely. I actually started to like it more like this, like a crescent moon. So it sits there like that, but you can have it any way you want to, except for that way because that doesn't work. But yeah. Loving this, and I'm hoping to do a load more sort of TV and movie props in the next few weeks. I'm thinking of doing a few guns, a few more swords, and a few other bits and pieces that I can find lying around that actually mean I can have a collection of interesting looking props from the media and pop culture in general. Thanks so much for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing.